NEC Section 404.14 requires that conductors entering an enclosed switch or disconnect be protected from abrasions and physical damage. In the described scenario, the receptacle wires would be exposed to potential damage as they pass through the conduit and the bottom of the disconnect. NEC Section 404.14 states that conduit hubs must be accessible after installation. The bell box could potentially obstruct access to the conduit hub if it is not properly sized or installed. NEC Section 110.12 requires that electrical equipment be installed to minimize the risk of fire and shock hazards. The location of the bell box at the bottom of the disconnect could increase the likelihood of moisture accumulation and potential electrical hazards. To avoid potential violations, consider the following alternatives. Firstly, use a disconnect with a built-in receptacle. Secondly, install a separate utility box for the receptacle outside of the disconnect enclosure. Thirdly, run a separate conduit from the disconnect to the utility box for the receptacle wires. The receptacle should be GFCI protected to ensure electrical safety. All wiring should be correctly sized and installed according to applicable electrical codes. The bell box should be adequately sized to accommodate the receptacle and wires without compromising their protection. The installation should be inspected by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and safety standards.